Yep. Well, this is how we're doing it. Got the GoPro on the frickin' dome. I think this might actually work out pretty good. It looks so crazy. It's like, it's actually pretty stable, actually. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully we get on some freaking toads. Is this centered? Oh, God. Let's go get them. All right. We're gonna toss this thing around. I just want to cast around right here, a few of these spots. But I know that you guys can't see, but these are my new sunglasses. Oh, yeah, that's right. Polarized little clip-ons for my actual glasses. Let's see if there's something worth casting at over here. Haven't caught nothing yet.
You know if it's drought or did they use it to help?
Say it again? What about it?
You know if it's a drought or did they use it to...
Oh no, they something happened with the drain plug actually over here, and it drained it 30 feet. There's still 30 feet of water in here, but they drained it 30 on accident. I got on a few nice little bass yesterday. Over here on this point, back there, there's a nice little pocket. But I'm gonna go over there when it gets a little cooler. There's a bass right there. Woo! I was getting on some bigger ones yesterday. That was a nice little bass though. We'll take her. We'll take her. Nice. Let's get a nice release on her. Oh, there she goes. I'm glad we got on one already. This is terrible. I need a new worm. We'll be right back, folks. Hopefully those guys over there are just carp fishing or catfishing or something. Hopefully they're not in that channel either, because that was going to be my spot for today. So let's go see if we can cast out over here or not. I don't know where all these people are. Yo, you mind if I cast out around in here?
I'm just straight up. I'm straight up here.
Hell yeah. I won't touch you, I promise. There was some big bass in here yesterday. praying that they're here again. I got one.
Oh yeah, what is that? Trout bass.
It's a bass, baby. Woo! Topwater frog. It's like a fake frog, pretty much.
Yeah, brother.
Not bad, huh?
Fuck yeah. Nice, bro.
Woo!
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
That's why I was trying to get it before you started reeling in.
Have a good one. Hopefully you guys catch some more. Guess we can see if there's gonna be something right here on these points. Sure. Would be sick. There's a bass right there. Boom. Oh. Oh. What do you know? There was one just sitting there. Woo! We're getting on them now. Oh dang, that one. Oh, it's peeing. But look at that. Dang. That specimen looks crazy. Look at his noggin. Huh. Well, thank you, baby. Well, huh? Yeah, probably. I'm like, fuck this place. I don't know what's going on. Oh, hold on. Yep, I got one.
No way.
Kyron, I got one, buddy. Oh my gosh, Kyron, dude, I caught a beast, bro. Kyron, I'm not joking, dude. 6-pounder. Kyron. Dude. Here, you need to, can you hold this pole for me? Just right here. Just hold it. Oh God, oh God.
Oh shit, did I just break it?
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm so sorry. I just broke his pole.
She did, but it's okay. Look at this beast, dude.
I saw it jump out of the water.
Oh my gosh, dude. What a freaking hog, dude. I need to wash this off.
I barely tugged it. That thing is fucking heavy. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, dude.
What was that on?
That was on the pink worm.
Yeah, I think I might switch back.
You might have to. Ow, God. All right, let's do this here. Oh God. Get in there. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. Nice, dude. That's a good fish right there. Dang.
You want me to get you a pick?
Yeah, sure, I'll get a pick. Woo!
That boy is big.
Yeah, dude.
Amazing!
Well, that was pretty dang good. That was all right. We got on a few bass, which was nice. And yeah, I'm sure that we'll be able to get on at least 1 or 2 more once we go to this next spot. So bear with me. It's gonna get a little dark. I do got a headlamp and I got a flashlight for the GoPro. Nice little something, you know, so. Yeah. All right. Look at how low everything got. That's pretty crazy, if you ask me. We're gonna be fishing on this side right here. We're gonna be fishing all along that. And I do got a flashlight for when it's go time, when it's dark. And I got a power bank. I got a headlamp. I only brought the 2 poles. Didn't bring the frog because I have a popper and I have an extra popper in the bag just in case. So let's get on them. All right, we're gonna mess around with the tips of these right here. Maybe we can get something to come out right here. Come on now. Maybe right up in those rocks. I should have thrown a worm right after or something. Dang, it was deep right there. Deeper than I thought it was gonna be, for sure. Oh, no way. Watch this. Oh, yeah. I was just flashing my worm around down there. Oh my gosh. Nice. All I was doing was playing around with my worm down there. Probably out of camera's vision, but ended up catching one. Nice. Nice. Alright, thanks, buddy. Thank you. Oh. Get any on the lens? Probably not. Alright, well. God. We tried. We did what we could. We got on like what, maybe 1 or 2 at the end of the night there. Gosh, I walked around the whole lake. It was brutal. My legs are burning. But it's alright. Because that's fishing, baby. That's how you do it. You try and you try and you try. Because you never know the next cast. Oh, the biggest fish of your life. And you know, you never know. You don't know unless you go rodeo. Yeah. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Drop a like. Yeah, we'll keep fishing. We'll keep fishing, baby. Woo!